Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check traffic from different country using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to check visitor from different countries in our WordPress website. Then in search plugin, write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already install and activate this plugin. And after activation on left side, you see statistics. So click on it. So we are in overview and then scroll down. Now you see top country, Belgium, United States. You see visitor count 33.5. Also you see latest visitor breakdown. If you want, you can view all detail. Now you see view top country and then scroll down, you see country, visitor count, view count. You see all detail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.